Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp. This is the Introduction to CSS for Developers course. We're talking about typography. And in this video, we're going to talk about uppercase and lowercase and small caps. So it'll be fun. Alright, I want to force this heading to be in all uppercase letters, just as a visual effect, right? So I'm going to make a new rule that says for all my H1s, the property name is text transform. Text dash transform. And the value we want there is uppercase. All one word. Let's save it. Go refresh it. Awesome. So that way you don't have to make people type like they're yelling. You can just introduce all caps as a design choice later. Now, long runs of text like this get really hard to read in uppercase, so beware. It's just because all the letters are square all of a sudden, and it's just, it just messes with your reading. But in some cases it looks cool. We can also do lowercase if you want to be like edgy and extreme, like E. Cummings or the 1990s. You can make your headings, force them to be lowercase. So that's a good time. To split the difference, it's a little bit different. There's a thing called small caps where all of the letters are uppercase letters, but only the first letter of each word is full sized, and all of the lowercase letters, the letters that would normally be lowercased, they'll be smaller. So it's called small caps. Well, this is actually built into some fonts. So instead of being in text transform, which kind of conveys the idea that we're retyping the text, instead of doing that, this is considered a variation of the font variant. So with that in mind, we say font variant, and then we say small caps. Save it, refresh it. Very nice, very nice. Now it looks terrible in this font, I think, because the small caps are too small. They should be about 2/3 instead of half, and that's because our font family is Times New Roman. Let's see what that looks like in Georgia. That's better. That's better. It's better. All right. So text transform uppercase, text transform lowercase, and font variant small caps. Great tools to have in your tool belt. Have a great day.